Google Ads search campaign is not working. Okay. Hi Ali. Hello. I have been running Google Ads for a while. Okay. And recently ran into an issue. Okay. My account was suspended due to an unpaid invoice. Okay. But it has now been reinstated. Okay. I've resumed my previous search campaign, Maximize Conversions, which was performing well about a month ago. However, it's been 2 days since reactivation and my performance has dropped significantly. Low impressions, low clicks, and ads barely showing. Could this be due to learning phase, resetting after suspension? Should I give it more time, or is there something specific I should check on? Would really appreciate any insights or advice. Thanks in advance. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so if you have been running for a while and you got this, so I think that there may be few insights which I think could be reason. Okay, so it was working well before a month. Account goes into suspension and we restart it, and it's not working well. The bidding strategy is maximize conversion. Okay, so first of all, yeah, account is in the learning phase. So I agree on this. But I think that bidding strategy for now should be turned back to maximize clicks again, get some more conversions, and move back to maximize conversions. Okay, so give it some time, like at least 2 weeks, and then move back. Right now your quality score is also affected and your conversion data is old conversion data is lost, and your quality score is also down, which is why you are not getting less impressions. Your CPC is high and your ads are barely shown. So that is how you can optimize. Also try creating more ad variants, try creating new ad variants with ad assets, and be patient. That is, a recipe. The doctors usually give a recipe like this. So yeah, just sharing. That is how you can resume your search campaign, which was working well before a month, and it has stopped working. So I hope this answers your question and query. And if anyone needs a professional with the Google Ads, we are being known as AARSWEBS.com, a Google Ads partner company helping clients with Google Ads audit, setup, and management. If you need me or my team assistance in helping you, you can hire us through the link in the description. Our company name is AARSWEBS.com. We are a Google Ads partner company, and the link is mentioned in the description of this video. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you. Take care. Bye bye.